So for today's run, we will try to beat our indoor run last time, the 7.5 kilometer indoor run. So don't forget the hashtag run for your life. We're at 1 kilometer, 2 kilometer, we're at 3rd kilometer, 4K, kilometer 5, last 2 more, 6 kilometer, 7K. So that's our 7K run here at BGC pa din. So nakakapagod pero kinaya naman. Average of 7 minutes per kilometer tayo. Siguro mga ganun yung average ko. So medyo mabagal pero low zone naman sa heart rate natin. Good quality pa rin ng run. So don't forget the hashtag pa rin. Hashtag run for your life.